Mom, I forgot my lunch at home.
Oh no, what will you eat at school now?
I was getting late and forgot it on the table.
You should always check your bag before leaving.
I know, it was my mistake.
Don't worry, I will bring it to your school.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
Next time, be more careful.
Have you ever forgotten something important before school? Tell me in the comments. Mom, I feel nervous speaking English in class.
Why are you nervous?
I'm afraid everyone will laugh at me.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
But my English is not perfect.
Nobody starts perfect.
So I should keep trying?
Yes, confidence is more important than perfection.
Are you also afraid of speaking English sometimes? Comment below.
Why are you always using your phone?
I'm just watching videos for a few minutes.
You said the same thing 1 hour ago. There is nothing else to do. You don't even talk to the family anymore. I didn't realize that. Sometimes real life is more important than the screen.
Okay, Mom, I'll put my phone away now.
How many hours do you spend on your phone every day? Comment below.
Mom, I can't see you anywhere.
Don't worry, I'm right here beside the information desk.
I got scared because there were so many people.
That's why you should never walk away alone.
I was looking at the toy store.
Next time, tell me before going anywhere.
Okay, Mom, I'm sorry.
It's okay. The important thing is that you are safe.
Have you ever gotten lost as a child? Tell me in the comment. Mom, can you buy me this toy, please?
It's very expensive.
But all my friends have it.
That doesn't mean we need to buy everything. I really want it. Let's save money first and buy it later. Okay, I understand. Good things take time sometimes.
Did you also ask your parents for expensive toys as a child? Tell me in the comments.
Are you eating chips again? I made a fresh salad for you.
But Mom, chips are so much tastier.
Just because it's tasty doesn't mean it's good for your body.
Can I just finish this one bag?
If you eat junk food every day, you'll lose your energy to play.
Okay, I'll have the salad instead.
That's my boy. Healthy food makes you stronger.
What is your favorite healthy snack? Let me know in the comments.